Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download actions and stuff for free on Minecraft. So if you are on console, what you need to do first is go to the store right there. Once it loads up, you want to go to the menu, just press to the left. After that, you want to go to Marketplace Pass. Now, the Marketplace Pass has a free trial for 30 days. So you want to go ahead and start that. And after you've done that, all you need to do is go to content and you will see that there's actions and stuff, which you can press on and you can just download it for free. And then you're going to press activate the texture pack. So you're going to see it on your settings on global resources, and you're going to see Marketplace Pass packs. Then you're going to see actions and stuff. Then you're going to press on it and press activate. And it's now been activated. As you can see, now you can play with actions and stuff. Now you can also go to your world, press edit, go to resource packs. And here you will see active and available. You want to be on available, then you're going to press on Marketplace Pass. You're going to see actions and stuff here, and you're going to press activate. And just like so, it's going to be added to your world. And now once you play it, it will basically be with actions and stuff. This video was helpful. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.